Leave me alone.
Let's go.
Okay. You have to.
You know what?
The car walk.
Get him the f out of here.
Let's go, Wally.
Let's
go. Wally, come on, bud.
Come on. You know what? I want the chief of police in Bridgeview.
No, you're not.
Why you do this to me?
No, you're not. Come on.
I'm not going. I'm not drunk. I came for work. I came by work.
The video begins with chaos, a car flipped over, and a man later identified as Larry, a retired police chief, stumbling out of the wreckage. Under New York Vehicle and Traffic Law Section 1192, operating a motor vehicle while intoxicated is a criminal offense. Despite this, Larry, clearly disoriented and aggressive, denies drinking. Witnesses describe him speeding the wrong way before crashing, yet he insists, "I came from work by you guys. I'm not drunk." His slurred speech and belligerent behavior, however, tell a different story.
The red car, that's mine.
Yeah.
I'm sitting in traffic and he comes down this way, hits this thing, and then the whole car just flips over like this.
What the f?
Larry,
Why can't you
relax,
go?
just relax, will ya?
This lane, this idiot hit that. He was going too fast.
You're gonna have to come down this way the wrong way.
Let me go!
Larry, just relax.
It's not let me
Larry,
go!
Larry, just relax.
Come on! Let
that's
me
fine.
go!
So
It's
I
not
put the barrel,
doing it.
so I'm rerouting traffic that way.
Yeah.
So I don't have to
Come
stand there.
on! What the
The
f?
cop wanted to go down
You!
this way, and
Fuck
that's
you!
not gonna happen, bro.
You! Let's go! Let me f***ing go!
You have the keys, man?
Yeah,
He's got him on his lap.
Come on!
I can't tell if it's an arc. I can't see if he's got an injury or what.
What the f? Let me go!
He's got blood on his face. I don't know if that was from probably the airbag.
Yeah, maybe.
You! If that's fucking let me fucking go! Let's go! Fuck you! Come on! Come on! Fuck you!
Dude, calm
Let's
down.
Go!
Calm down, calm down.
Let me fucking go!
Okay, all right, calm down.
Let me
Dude, okay,
go!
calm down. Relax.
You know what? I'm the.
Okay.
You know what? I'm the cop and bridge you.
Okay.
Don't do that.
Okay, stop.
Yeah, come on. No, come on.
Does he have a 32 on him? I don't know. You have a gun on you?
Yeah, I do. But let me go. Come on, come on, let me
Claim he
go.
does.
This guy coming from all the way.
The guy in the Buick.
Yeah, and hit the fence, speed sometime, and hit this car. This happened, just for...
Yeah. You see, I can't get in there. I don't know if he's got a head injury. I don't know
He's a
what.
village employee, so and he's got blood hanging off his. Okay, and he's swearing and all that.
Harry, how are you?
So I'm trying to keep him. He's swearing and all that.
Is your car in park, sir?
No, you guys are awesome. You guys are good. You guys are good. Thank you. You guys are good. All right, thank you very much.
Dude, you gotta get out of the car, Climax.
Let me go. Very much. Come on.
There you go. I didn't have my knife on.
Oh no, you guys are good.
Contact, no issues. Head back to headquarters.
Oh, that's harder from here.
No, I'm not conducting.
Larry, don't give these guys a hard time. Don't give them a hard time, all right?
They're great.
Don't give them,
great.
yeah, don't give them a hard time.
No, you guys are great.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You gotta get out of the car. I think it might be the airbag.
Please appreciate it.
No, you're not. You're retired, man.
His name is Larry.
Fine now.
Womack?
That's not Wally.
Wally, it's Wally. It is Wally.
Oh, it is. Okay. What does he
Hey,
do?
why are you
He
getting so
doesn't.
upset?
He's retired.
It's an airbag. You were in
Well,
an
he's got a
I
bridge.
didn't put that there.
No, you didn't.
No, I didn't.
You were in a car
He
accident.
works,
I've heard that name before, but I don't know what department he's in.
Come on, guys. You know what? Come on. I mean, what the fuck?
Okay.
Hey, guys. Thank
Can we
you.
even get the stretcher through here?
You
You might want to drive around the block and come this way if you can.
I'm just worried about that 32, see, just in case.
just make sure you're getting everything.
Wally Klimek. I was the chief of police in Bridgeview.
Oh,
That's what he was.
that makes it even better. That's why I want to.
What the fuck? Shit.
Just relax, Wally.
I know because you guys are all awesome when they go down there.
Right.
They're awesome.
We want to take care of you all, you all right?
Said you want to go to the hospital?
I've never seen a head injury like that before. And I was in the fire service for 4 years.
Where the f-
515.
my fucking goddamn phone is not on me. What the f-
Hey, Wally.
Stop!
Wally,
Don't come
Wally.
back, me!
is there no way to shut that car off? Jesus.
Where the f- did he come from?
Who?
Him! What the f- did he come
He's
from?
here to help you. He's taking you to
No.
the hospital.
No. He was f- that was. Who the f- put that in there? Tell him, get the f- out of here!
Yo, you're going in there.
Obviously!
So
Get the f- out of
You want to
here!
walk over there, or do you want us to bring the stretcher over?
Out of the car. Come on, Wally. You ready? Come on, bud. You gotta get out.
Gotta get out.
What's
All right,
that?
Wally, right here. Let's go.
What the f- is this?
Wally, come on, bud.
As officers attempt to detain Larry, he escalates from denial to outright defiance. Penal Law Section 205.30 states that resisting arrest is a Class A misdemeanor. Yet, Larry screams, "I was the chief of police. You're ruining my career." A desperate attempt to leverage his former status. When officers urge him to exit the car, he lashes out, "Don't hurt me," while actively resisting his threats. If you want to keep your job, reveal a man who believes his past authority exempts him from the law. The irony is palpable. A former enforcer of justice now violating it.
You know what? Come on, get the f- out of here!
Look at that. She's all coming.
Oh, what are you doing back here? You know what? What are you doing back here in my fucking arm?
Come on, Wally. Let's go.
You're gonna have to hop out of the car, man.
Come on. Let's go. Wally, come on, bud.
Come on, you know what? I want the fucking chief of police in Bridgeview.
you're not.
Why you do this to
No,
me?
you're not. Come on.
All right, you gotta hop out of the car.
You know what?
Wally, let's go. Wally, come on.
Why you do this to
Wally,
what?
you're embarrassing yourself. Come on.
What?
Okay.
You're embarrassing yourself. Come on.
You know what? Don't do that to my
Wally,
armor.
Wally, let's go.
You know, just leave me alone.
If you want to keep,
You know what?
Hey.
Get him the f- out of here.
if you want to keep any
What?
part of your career left, get out of the car nice. Now. If you want to have a job still tomorrow, get out of the car nice.
You know what?
Let's go.
You know what? Leave
Wally.
me alone.
Let's go.
You have to hop
You know
out
what?
of the car, Wally.
Get him the f- out of here.
Let's go, Wally.
No, get him out of here. No.
Wally, let's go.
No,
Stop
stop.
fighting.
No, Wally.
Stop fighting.
Ow! Stop
Wally,
doing that to me.
Wally.
No, stop doing that to me.
Wally, out of the car, my man.
I know, but stop
Go.
doing that to me.
Wally, come on.
Ow! Ow!
Wally, come on.
Stop doing that to. Ow!
Let's go.
No!
Wally, stop resisting. Let's go.
Stop! You hurt.
Let's-
Ow!
Stop resisting, Wally. Come on. Wally, let's go. Alright, you sleep.
Ow!
Wally, let's
Come
go.
on, guys.
Come on, let's
You
go.
guys hurt me a lot.
We're trying to pull you out.
No, you guys hurt me.
We're not playing games no more. Let's go.
I know, but don't hurt me.
All right, then get out.
Get out.
I know, but
We don't want to
please
have to do this.
don't hurt me.
We're not hurting you, Wally.
I know.
Trying to get you
No,
out of
you
the car.
did.
Let's go.
Okay, guys, come on. No, you guys are my fucking buddies.
I know, then let's go.
Then
I
let's
know,
go.
but don't do that. Stop.
Wally, let's
Take
go.
your
hands off the
Take your hands
Okay,
off the
come on,
steering wheel.
guys.
Let's go.
I'm sorry.
Let's-
No, come
Wally,
on.
come on.
Ow! Stop.
Wally,
No.
Wally, come on.
Ow!
Wally, come on.
That arm.
Peel it.
Guys.
Okay, we're out. Okay, we're out.
Oh, guys.
That's all we wanted, man. Just get you out
I'm
of the car.
sorry. Guys, I'm sorry.
We're just gonna get checked out. You get
All right.
checked out.
Guys, I'm sorry, guys. Come
What are
on,
you sorry for?
You're my best buddies.
How much you had to drink tonight, Wally?
No, not today. No, not today.
Okay, how much you had to drink the last hour?
Oh, let go of me.
Ow!
Ow, what?
Guys, I'm sorry.
Okay, well, get up.
I'm sorry.
Where's your ID at, man?
Okay. Wait. Oh my God. Ow! Come on, guys.
Checking for that 32.
Yeah.
Okay, come on. I'm sorry. Come on, guys. Stop. You're my awesome guy. Ow!
Hey.
Oh, you know what? Come on. Ow! You're f***ing hurting me.
Well, then quit resisting.
What?
Stop
No, you're hurting me.
Oh, well, quit resisting.
Ow! Whoa. That's my f***ing car.
I don't have one, though. With the other one.
Mr. Walter, you ready?
Come on. Let me know if you need help. Okay, I got you. Okay. All right, so you understand what this is, right, sir? This is going to be pretty much, you understand your vehicle was towed, right?
What?
Your vehicle was towed because you were in a car accident.
My vehicle's what?
It was towed.
Towed?
Yeah.
No, it's not towed.
Oh, well, yes, it was. I'm telling you.
It's not
Okay.
towed.
This is going to be...
Was it towed by you?
Listen to what I'm trying to tell
It
you.
wasn't towed.
It was told he was involved in an accident.
No, because
You crashed into another car, and you've been drinking.
No,
Okay.
I pulled by you guys.
Sir, I'm explaining
It
this
was
to you,
not
okay?
towed.
For DUI. Okay.
What do you mean a DUI?
I'm explaining to you what this is. Listen to what I'm saying, okay? Stop getting upset, okay?
What do you mean a DUI? I'm not.
That's what the officer charged you with.
I'm not drunk.
The arresting officer charged you with a DUI, okay?
I'm not going. I'm not drunk. I came for work
Listen.
I came by work by you guys.
Okay. You want to get out from here, or you want to stay in here? If you want to get out, sign here, okay?
Yeah, because
Okay, then.
I came from you. I came from work by you guys.
Okay,
I'm not drunk.
You can argue that in court.
The final scene delivers poetic justice as the once respected chief is formally charged, his badge no longer a shield against accountability. Under New York Penal Law Section 120.20, reckless endangerment applies when behavior creates substantial risk of serious physical injury. Officers book him for multiple offenses: DUI under VTL Section 1192, resisting arrest per PL Section 205.30, and likely reckless endangerment from his high-speed wrong-way collision. His blood alcohol content, coupled with the crashed vehicle and witness statements, forms an irrefutable case. The arrest report would later note his continued belligerence even at the station, attempting to invoke his former position before finally succumbing to the sobering reality of mugshots and bail hearings. This wasn't just an arrest, it was the unraveling of a man who forgot the laws he once swore to enforce. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video click to watch now.